To log into your LearnZillion account, go to cms.learnzillion.com. All CMS employees should log in with Clever. Because I don't have a Clever account, where I'm going to log in with my email address. Again, log in with Clever for CMS employees. Type in your credentials, your email address, and your password. Click Login, and you'll be in the LearnZillion site. Click More Plus, scroll down to PD Library. Once you scroll down to PD Library, you should be in the Professional Development Library, where you can see the LearnZillion videos and the EL videos in the LearnZillion platform. And at the bottom, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see the EL courses. Log into the course that you have been assigned to take. So for 3-5, you're going to take the first one, K5 Language Arts Curriculum and Materials. For K2, you'll take the K2 Reading Foundation Skills Block. And for 6-8, you'll take the 6-8 Language Arts Curriculum. Click the course that you're expected to take and click Enroll, and follow the prompts on the screen from there. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.